Here. Can you see this? The blue colored.
Yes.
So from various parts of the body, it is getting the blue colored blood. Now what is blue colored blood? It is rich in which gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good, very good. So this is got carbon dioxide. You agree with me now? So the
Yes.
heart is, yeah. So heart is getting the blood which is collected from all parts of the body rich in carbon dioxide. You agree with me?
Yes.
Where it is coming? Right. Where it is coming with a right heart, upper
Heart.
portion. Yes. Right portion of the heart. That is right auricle. Then what happens? Read.
The right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs where carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is absorbed.
Okay. Now from auricle, where does it go to beta? From this auricle, where does it go? It goes to ventricle. This is ventricle. This is ventricle. You agree? This is
Yes.
auricle. This is auricle and this is ventricle. You agree? So from auricle it is going to ventricle. We know that, right? From right auricle, the blood is pushed to ventricle, the bottom. See, from here it is going down, isn't it? And from
Yes.
ventricle, and from ventricle, it goes to, where does it go to, Vita?
Lung.
Lung. Which lung? Left lung. Where does it
Left
go to?
lung.
Left lung. So that carbon dioxide is removed from the body. Any problem?
No. And
Very
oxygen
good.
absorbed.
All of you understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fine. Next. Now we will do the left auricle. Right is over. Right auricle, right ventricle over. What is doing? It is collecting the carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body, comes to the right auricle. From right auricle, it pushes to right ventricle. From right ventricle, it goes to left lung. From there, the carbon dioxide is removed from the nose. Yes or no? While
Yes.
it is removing from the nose, the same time it is taking an oxygen rich gas. Yes or no? Inside. Hello? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Let's see what happens. Right.
Yes. The left auricle receives oxygen rich blood as it comes back to the heart from the lungs.
Okay. So the left auricle here. This is the left auricle. Can you see the line that I'm drawing?
Yes.
So this is the left auricle. It is getting oxygen rich blood. Yes or no? The red colored. This is getting oxygen rich
Yes.
blood from the right lung. From where it is getting? Right lung.
Right lung.
So this is oxygen rich blood. Then it goes to ventricle. And then it goes to all parts of the body. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you understood now nicely?
Yes.
So oxygen rich
Yes.
gas which comes to the heart, it goes to the left auricle, from there it goes to left ventricle, from left ventricle it is pushed out to all parts of the body. Why it is pushed out to all parts of the body, Vita? Why it is required? For respiration. Why oxygen is required? For respiration.
Respiration.
Yeah, because the cell will not respire, isn't it, Vita? If it does not get oxygen, do you think the cell will respire?
No.
Okay. Yes, read, Vita.
The left ventricle pumps this blood to the rest of the body.
I think I already told you. I already told you, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
The left ventricle pumps this blood to the rest of the body. Okay. Now, the third point. Say, Vita.
The right side of the heart is completely separated from the left side when the help of peri-
Partition.
partition
Partition.
partition partition called septum so that the two types of blood do not mix.
Okay. Just be careful. Whatever I'm drawing, just be careful. See what I'm drawing. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
You see this? This line. This
Heart
is called as
partition.
septum. Yes, this is called as septum. What it is called as?
septum.
Understood? This is the
Yes,
partition.
Yes.
So this is not mixing. The blue color, the carbon dioxide rich blood and the oxygen rich blood, they don't mix due to the partition. Okay.
the heart has a number of valves that allow body to flow in one
Blood.
direction.
It is not body. Please read properly. It is
Okay.
blood.
The heart has a number of valves that allow blood to flow in one direction only.
Okay, better. You're reading it very good. Very nicely you're reading. See. Can you see this over here? I'm just drawing one thing. Can you see this? This is a
Yes,
valve. This is a valve. This one is a valve. This one is a valve. That's why the blood is moving only in one direction. It is not going back. The blood flow is only in one direction and because of the valve present and it's not going back. You understand? What is
yes.
not, what is making it happen so? The presence of valves in the heart. Okay? That is the function of valves, that the blood flow is unidirectional. It is only in one direction.
The blood enters the right side of the heart and is pumped to the lungs where it gives off carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen.
So when the blood enters the right side of the heart, yes, the blood
Yes,
enters the right side of the heart, you can see. From here it goes to the lungs, you see, and it is thrown out of the body. Agree? So that is CO2. What is it, beta? CO2, right?
CO2.
At the same time, it is leaving, it is giving carbon dioxide. The same time, it is taking, what is it taking?
Carbon dioxide.
Hello. It is taking carbon dioxide.
Oxygen.
Yeah, please say, I mean, think over. I said it is giving carbon dioxide. So what is picking up? What it's taking? At the same time, it is taking oxygen from the right lung. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, read.
The blood enters the right side of the heart and is pumped to the lungs where it gives off carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen.
Then, that I've already explained. Then,
This oxygen-rich blood travels back to the left side of the heart.
okay, now you can say this oxygen-rich blood, when it is taken in, it travels to the left side of the heart. Can you see this?
Yes,
Left side of the heart. Can you see this?
yes,
Okay, so it is oxygen-rich blood. And then where it does it go? It goes to all parts of the body. Right? Right? Then
yes.
where will it go? It is again,
It is again sent to all other parts of the body and the process is repeated again and again.
understood now? So
Yes,
oxygen-rich blood comes to the lungs from the nose or through the nose, comes to the lungs, goes to the heart, and goes to all parts of the body. While doing so, it is collecting carbon dioxide from all parts of the body. It goes to the heart. From the heart, it goes to the lungs. From the lungs, it is removed from the nostrils, from the nose, outside the body. That is in the atmosphere. That is carbon dioxide. You understood now? This is the mechanism. So two mechanisms are happening. What are those two mechanisms, beta? One is circulation, that is heart pumping, and the second one is respiration. You understood? Both are going together. Do you agree with me?
yes.
Yes. Both are going together, hand in hand. Now let's say heart. Please read.
Sahil, you can read now.
Okay. Heart. The heart is an organ which pumps blood
to all parts of the body.
You agree? So what is heart doing?
Yes.
So it is pumping the blood to all parts of the body with a force.
Yes.
Then
The heart is about the size of your fist.
what is fist? When
Hand.
you just close
When
your
we
palm.
close our
When you close
fingers.
your, yes, with your
Yes.
thumb inside, that becomes your fist. That is the size of your heart. Then
The heart has four chambers.
it has got four chambers, means four rooms. What are those
Yes.
called as? Say.
The two upper chambers are called arteria and the two lower chambers are called ventricles.
You can see over here, two upper chambers, this one and this one are called as atria, A-T-R-I-A. And here, two chambers, this one and this one are called as ventricle. Understood? So bottom one is
Yes.
ventricle, two ventricles and two atria or auricles. Next.
The
Next
heart
one.
has a the heart has a partition in the middle which prevents mixing up of oxygen rich blood and carbon dioxide rich blood.
Okay. You understood now? So we have a partition.
Yes.
I think I've already taught you, so that there is no mixing of blood. Any problem in this slide, beta? Have you understood it nicely?
No. Yes, understood.
Yes.
If you have understood it nicely, beta, till 12th standard, there will be no problem.
Yes.
That's what I'm
Yes,
saying.
ma'am.
Everything is clear, no confusion.
No.
You will be able to explain it to me, beta. Later, if I ask you, beta, I don't know anything. Could you explain the
Okay.
circulatory system? Will you be able to?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'm glad. I'm very happy, beta. Now, here also you see septa is so thick over here. Can you see this septa, beta?
Yes.
The partition, how thick it is, not allowing the mixing of the blood. So this is the septa. Can you see this?
Yes.
See this? This is the septa. Okay, fine. And these are the valves. Can you see these valves? These are the valves.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
allowing the flow of the blood is only one direction. Any problem? And see, look at this. You'll be shocked. See, this is auricle. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. Can you see this? What I've drawn?
Yes.
And the ventricle are big. Look at the size of ventricle, beta. See, this is the
Yes.
ventricle. This is another ventricle. Yes? Look at the size. It's bigger than the atrium. Okay. So this is how our heart looks like. Can you see this? This is the cross-sectional view
Yes.
of heart.
Yes.
This is again the how with the arrows you can see how the blood is moving. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So it enters the left side. You can see the entry is from the left hand side. Yes? Here.
Yes.
Entry is left hand side, this one. See, I marked it dark. This portion. Can you see this? Entry is from here.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So that is oxygen rich blood, isn't it? Then it goes down and it goes up, then it comes out like this to all parts of the body. Now from here it is going to all parts of the body. Now see the other thing. Okay? Now here it is in entering. This is from the body. This is from the body. This is from the lungs. Got it now? So when it is entering from the body, so
Yes.
it is carbon dioxide rich blood. So this is CO2. What it is this beta? CO2. And this is O2. Got it now? Hello? Then it goes to the lungs. See this blue you can see? This blue? This blue can you see? It is going to lungs. And it is thrown out of the body. Any
What
problem?
do you? No.
Yes, read please. Circulatory system. Read better. Hello, read better.
And will continue.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, anyone.
Yes.
It's for all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Circulatory system. In human beings digested food, water and oxygen are transported to all the parts of the body.
To all
Waste
parts, beta. To all the parts, no. To all
all
parts of the
parts
body.
of the body.
Thank you. Now, what does
Waste
that
product.
mean? If you can explain, it's well and good. Can you explain, beta? Okay, read it and then we will explain. Read completely.
Okay. Waste products are also transported from all parts of the body to be removed from the body. It means in human body we digested food, water and oxygen are transported to all the parts of the body. Then waste products are also transported from all parts of the body to be removed from the body.
That means what is happening actually, this circulatory system, the transportation system inside our body, what are they doing? They are carrying three things, namely the digested food, water, and oxygen all over the body. And when they are doing it, they are collecting the waste also. When oxygen is used, what is released, beta? Do you know that? When oxygen is used, what is released? Carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide as waste products are transported to all parts of the body and then it is collected, not transported to all parts, so that's wrong. It is collected from all parts of the body and is taken to the heart. From the heart, it is removed by the lungs. And from the lungs, it is going to the nose and is thrown out of the body. Do you understand the mechanism now? How the things are moving inside the body? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you understand now how it's happening?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Read better. Please continue. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
The transport of substances in the body is done by the circulatory system. It consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood.
So understood now? So who is doing this? The circulatory system. The system contains importantly which is the main organ? The heart, which is a pumping machine. See how this flow is maintained. If it does not pump with the pressure, do you think the blood will flow? Blood will stand still. What do you say? If the heart does not pump, do you think the blood will flow? No. The blood only flows when the heart pumps, isn't it? The whole mechanism is called a circulatory system, transportation mechanism. Any problem? Do you find any problem, beta?
No.
Now look at this. This heart we have already done, so we will not do it now. Look at this. This is our body. The blue colored is generally the carbon dioxide rich blood. The red colored is oxygen rich blood. Okay, now these are the tubes. You can see the complete from head to toe. We are having this circulatory system. Now let's see what is blood. Yes, beta. What is blood?
Yes.
Anyone take up? You want to read? You can go through it. No problem. Say
Blood
hello.
is the fluid which flows in the body vessel, a blood
Blood
vessel.
vessels, beta. Yes. Then
The fluid part of blood is called plasma, which contains cells of various kinds suspended it.
okay, that's it. Now, when you fall, when you have some sort of an accident, you fall down, your skin is peeled off, and you see a yellow liquid coming out, sticky yellow liquid come out, and later the blood comes out. Have you observed that anytime? When your skin comes off, the blood does not come off straight away, but first a yellow liquid comes out, and then the blood comes. Have you observed that? That yellow
No.
liquid is plasma. That okay, if you have not observed, then you will not observe. It's always white first. When your skin is removed, it is always white, and then the blood comes out. Okay, so that white or yellow substance is called as plasma. In the plasma, we have got all types of blood cells. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So this is observed in the blood vessels. So main is plasma. In the plasma, we get all types of blood cells. Let's see the second point. Read.
In it transports substances like digested food from the intestine to the other parts.
Okay. So what is the function of this? The blood transports the substances like digested food. Okay, that we saw in digestion, in the chapter digestion, remember? Hello. So
Yes.
which intestine it is digested?
Large.
Which intestine it is digested?
Large.
Boys, can you give me the answer? I'm talking about which intestine the food gets digested.
Large intestine.
This is what I taught you. Yes, beta, this is what I taught you. The digestion takes place in which intestine?
Small intestine.
Then why you said large? So it is a small intestine. Small intestine, the digestion completes. So afterwards, the digested food is absorbed by the blood. Okay. Which is the third point. What is the other function of the blood?
It carries oxygen from the lungs to the cell if the
Of the
body.
body. Of the body. So it is carrying oxygen from the lungs. So lungs gets oxygen rich blood. From there it goes to the heart. From heart it goes to all cells of the body. You agree? So blood is
Yes.
carrying oxygen rich blood to all parts of the body. Next.
RBC contain.
No. The next point. Transports.
Okay, ma'am. Transports waste of removal from the body.
So transfer waste for removal from the body. When it is taking oxygen to all parts of the body, simultaneously it is collecting carbon dioxide from the body for the removal purpose. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? So when it is giving oxygen to all parts of the body, along with it, it is collecting carbon dioxide also no, from all parts of the body and taking to the heart. From heart it goes to lungs, and then from lungs it is thrown out of the body. Now we will see the types of cells which is present in the blood. Start.
RBC contain red pigment called
Hemoglobin.
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 Okay. So RBC, otherwise called as red blood cells, it has got red colored pigment. It's got red color. The red color is known as hemoglobin, and that's why we get the red color of the blood. You understand now? The red
Yes.
color of the blood is due to the pigment hemoglobin. Okay. Start. Next.
Hemoglobin binds with
Binds.
oxygen. Ah. Hemoglobin binds.
Binds, beta.
Binds. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transports to all body parts.
So hemoglobin means oxygen rich, as simple as that. So what is the function? It has got a capacity of binding with oxygen, joining with oxygen, and then taking to all body parts, right? That's the function of hemoglobin. Second,
White blood cells fight against germs that may enter our body.
so what is the function of WBC? The function is that it is fighting against the microorganism, virus, bacteria, which enters our body. Okay. Third, the third type of cells in blood,
Platelets help in blood
platelets.
platelets help in blood clotting.
Okay. Now you got a wound. The blood is coming out. After some time, you get a blood cake. The blood stops flowing. It becomes solid. Have you observed that? That solid blood is called as clot. What it is called, beta? Clot, blood clotting. Because if it does not happen, then we will lose blood and we will die. What do you say?
Yes.
Yes. So the blood has to stop flowing.
And
And then,
more
and the,
protein can recover the injury faster.
I'm not able to hear you properly. Say it again.
More protein can recover the injury faster.
I still don't get you. Can anyone make me understand what he's saying?
Shall repeat.
Yes. Slowly you repeat. Yes, say.
And more protein can recover the injury faster.
More protein.
Yes.
And then what will become faster?
Recover the injury.
Yes. You can recover the injury. Yes. You should be healthy. In short, you should be healthy. If you're
Yes.
healthy, then you can recover fast. As simple as that. So, blood clotting takes place due to the presence of blood platelets. We fight the germs due to the presence of WBC. We have red colored and oxygen rich content cell of the blood, that is RBCs. You understood? So these are the function. Now again we do it. Let's see what we understand from this slide. Read it better.
Shall read. Yes. Blood transports substance in the body.
Yes, continue.
It has a fuel part called plasma and cells like red blood cells, RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and pellets.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, so it has a fluid part which is known as plasma. So it is
Yes.
water based, which is known as plasma. In the plasma, we have RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. They are floating. They're floating in the plasma. You getting my point? Main is
Yes.
plasma, and all these cells are floating in the plasma and they make the blood. Got it? Now let's see
Yes.
one by one what are these. Read better.
Red blood cells contain a pigment called
Hemoglobin.
hemoglobin, which transports oxygen.
So what is the function of RBC? It has got a color which is hemoglobin and it has the function that it sticks to the oxygen
Transport
and it
oxygen.
transports. Yes. What is white blood cells?
White blood cells fight against germs and protect us from diseases.
This you already know, I think so.
Yes.
Yes. What about platelets?
Platelets help in coating of blood.
This also you know.
Yes.
Yes, fine. Now here we can see what are these? Can you
Red
see these
blood
red blood
vessels.
cells? Can you see these red blood cells?
Yes.
Okay. And this big one is
White blood cells.
red blood cell.
And this is
And
plasma.
it's plasma. The yellow color is plasma. Very good. And the small, very, very small size,
Platelets.
these are platelets. Any problem? Tell me. See how
No
beautiful it looks
problem.
like. See how beautiful. Even WBC size. Look at this WBC size. How big it is. See
Yes.
how big it is. Fine. So which one is the biggest? WBC. Then we get
WBC.
RBC. Then the smallest one is platelets. Understood?
Yes.
This is the tube. That is the blood vessel. See, this is the blood vessel. This is the blood vessel. Can you see this blood vessel?
Yes.
So I think it's very clear how the things
Yes,
look like?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
This I will read, okay? Something
Okay,
extra
ma'am.
information that I am giving you. The constituents of blood. What is the blood made up of? One is plasma. This is the liquid part of the blood. Color is
Yes.
yellow and maximum is 90% of water. Okay, so it has got carbohydrates, fats, salts, everything mixed with it. No need to go through in detail. Now we come to RBCs. They are disc shaped, saucer shaped. They have a red color pigment which is known as hemoglobin. What is the function of it? It absorbs oxygen and it transports to all the cells of the body. When it combines, I'm giving you some extra that is called oxyhemoglobin. When this oxygen combines with hemoglobin, it is called as oxyhemoglobin. And when this oxyhemoglobin reaches cells, yes, what happens? It breaks down food. What does it break down, beta? It breaks down food.
Food.
And what is released? Energy. Remember what I said? Energy is released. And as a byproduct, carbon dioxide is also released as a waste. And we get what is this process known as respiration. Where does this respiration takes place? Mitochondria. I think I've told everything to you right now. Things are clear now. So if there's no circulation, do you think there will be respiration? I'm waiting for your answer, Vita.
No.
So what should go hand in hand? Circulation as well as respiration.
Yes.
They are going together. They are going together. So this oxygen is used for respiration. Understood? Now we come to WBCs. The cells are bigger than the RBCs, but the numbers are small. And due to the presence of RBCs, actually, we get the red color of blood. The red color of blood is due to hemoglobin present in RBCs. Now, the number of RBCs are more, remember that, but number of WBCs are always less. What is the function? They fight against diseases. If they recognize that there is certain infection in the body, it goes to the side and starts ingesting it, starts swallowing the attack, that is the invaders. It could be virus, it could be bacteria, anything. They have the capacity to move on their own. They even can pass through the walls of the blood vessel and can reach the infected parts of the body. Now, if you fall sick, what does the doctor says? The doctor says first go for the blood report. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in the blood report, what we see? That our WBC counts is very high. It shows, it suggests that our body is infected by the germs. Because then and then only, otherwise you know that the WBC count are always less. But when we are not okay, when we are sick, the WBC count are higher than RBC count. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because it multiplies.
Yes.
It defends the body by the attack of the invaders. Next is platelets. They are the smallest of all. They are smaller even than the red blood cells. But the function is that they help in clotting of the blood whenever there is an injury of the body. It prevents the blood loss because if we lose blood, we may die. You understand? Any problem regarding this slide, beta?
No.
Okay. Now see, this is your blood vessel. Now I think it's very easy for you to understand. What is this purple colored? What is this purple colored?
WBC.
Very good. What is this red colored?
Blood.
No, what is this red color? Which is the name of the
Blood
cell?
cell.
Which, yes, very, RBC. I'm showing you all blood cells only, beta. Okay. Now, what are these star-shaped cells? These ones?
Platelets.
Very good, platelets. So, I think now you understood everything, all types of cells. Good. Now, here you can see the yellow colored stuff. The yellow colored, you can see this yellow colored? It is plasma. In this, we have got RBCs, we have got WBCs, and we have got the platelets. You understood now the constituents of blood? Yes? Hello?
Yes.
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 This one is, what is this?
Platelets.
This is platelets.
RBC.
RBCs.
RBC.
Yeah, you give me heart attack, I think so.
WBC.
And what are these? See, this is RBC
WBC.
and this is WBC. Okay? I will show you some more
Yes.
slides. You will understand that. Here. How beautiful it is, isn't it? Which one is WBC here?
White.
White.
White colored. Which is red
For
one? RBC.
double
So we have.
RBC.
So WBC is this one, right? WBC is this one.
It is like coronavirus.
Yes, it is.
Like coronavirus.
Okay. Your blood is made of, read.
Plasma. Liquid part of blood.
Yeah, plasma is a liquid part of blood. Okay. And what is red blood cells?
Red blood cells. They can
RBC.
Yes, what they
they,
do?
they carry oxygen to all part of the body.
Fine. So we know that, right? So what you see over here as a picture?
RBC. Red blood
RBCs.
vessels.
So here you can see RBCs. The function is they carry oxygen to all parts of the body. What is this?
RBC. WBC.
Okay, WBC, white blood cells. What is the function?
Fight and kill germs that may enter your bloodstream.
Okay, understood? So this is revision. We are
Yes.
doing revision only, okay? What is this? What is this, beta?
Platelets.
Okay.
From scabs when you cut yourself.
Then
Help stop the bleeding.
bleeding. This also you know? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Now blood vessels. Now we are talking about, we are going to talk about
Read it,
blood
Sahil.
vessels. Yes.
Your turn.
I have read it.
No.
Please
Okay.
stop doing that. One of you start reading. That's it.
Blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels and capillaries.
So how many types of blood vessels we have in our body? Three.
Three.
Arteries, the thickest of all, that is red colored. Veins, blue colored. Capillaries, very fine tubes, very narrow tubes. Capillaries are the very narrow tubes, okay? The thickest tube is arteries. Okay, start. Arteries.
Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. They have thick walls.
Now you understood? I just told you.
Yes.
Big tube, thick walls. What is the function? From the heart to all parts of the body. That means it has to be thick because it is coming with pressure. If it is thin, it will burst. The tube will burst, isn't it? The tube will burst. If
Yes.
it is coming down, it is thin. Now it cannot be thin because it is coming. The blood is coming with the pressure from the heart, right? So it has to be thick walled. Even the size of the tube is bigger. Okay. Veins,
Veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart. They have thin walls.
now are you understood?
Yes.
Because now the veins are not coming with the pressure because it is going to the heart. Whatever comes from the heart, it comes out with pressure. But when it is going to the heart, it is not coming with pressure. So hence, it is thin walled. You understood now? And what is the gas that it is taking? It is carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
That's why it is blue colored. Veins are blue colored. Next,
Capillaries are very thin blood vessels which join arteries and veins.
Capillaries, I told you, thinnest of all. But what is the function? There's exchange of gases in the lungs also. There's exchange of gases of carbon dioxide and oxygen, which is done only by capillaries. You understood? You
Yes.
understood now? Okay.
Yes.
Now we come to pulse rate. Read.
Pulse rate. Blood flows through arteries at a high pressure, causing throbbing movement called pulse.
The blood flows through arteries. I told you the pressure is high. So it's got a rhythmic movement. Slow, fast, slow, fast. That is called rhythmic movement. That is called pulse. So what happens? If you touch your wrist, you get the pulse. Number of pulse beats. Read.
The number of pulse beats per minute is called pulse rate.
Okay, so in 1 minute, how many times you get the beat? That is called as pulse rate. So what is normal pulse rate, beta?
Normal pulse rate is between 70 to 80 beats per minute.
So if we are normal, we should have this much of beats per minute. We should get 72 to 80 beats per minute. And if it's not normal, then either we have high BP or we have low BP. Okay? It's the blood pressure. Now here is where you get it. See, can you see over here? Below the thumb, where the thumb is
Yes.
attached. See, this is the thumb. See over here? See, this is the thumb. Here you have to see, feel it. You get the pulse. Okay? Any problem?
No.
No problem.
I think we come to close. Oh, we come to close, better. I think the lecture is over. So I hope you have
Yes.
understood it nicely.
Yes.
Hmm? No problem?
No.
No problem.
Okay, better. And today enjoy giving your exam nicely. Okay? Today's your exam, I think so. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.